The prophecy and symbolism of the white-lipped python. You're getting ready to thrive. You're getting ready to succeed and be accelerated. If you are an interior designer or a flipper of homes or an architect or someone who doesn't have a degree, this is your season. Those who have been ostracized or even cast out from their industries prior to, or maybe you didn't win in a season where the real estate industry was booming and the wicked was gatekeeping all of the success, gatekeeping the success for themselves, or making sure that you don't succeed. In this season, the wicked now have to wait decades for another turn to receive what you're about to receive. You're being loosed from any chains, any prophetic encounters that you've been held back or that you were being held back because it was God's plan. Now you're being released because now it's your turn. The first shall be last and the last shall be first. You were last in the last season. Now you're first. Now you're up. Your time has come. Tomorrow is today. Tomorrow is here. If you want to learn more about the white lipped python, go to powerfulmysticate.com.